Hi, this is Dell N4030 laptop motherboard. Issue on this motherboard is white display. Okay, let's see now. See here, when we switch on the motherboard, we can see only white display. So, this is the problem, and this problem may be due to missing voltage of LCD VDD voltage for display. This voltage should come from display connector 34, 35 and 36. In these pins we should get 3.3 volt, and these are the LCD VDD voltage. First confirm this whether the display is problem or the motherboard is problem. But we have confirmed that display is not problem, the issue is in motherboard. In motherboard we have to check the display connector, which should get a 3.3 volt LCD VDD voltage on pin number 34, 35 and 36. Let us check in the circuit first, which is the pins. So this is the laptop circuit diagram. So LCD1 connector. In this you can see LCD VDD plus LCD VDD, and this pin is connected in 3 pins, that is 34, 35 and 36. Now we will check that whether the voltage is coming or not in these pins. So we'll check the voltage of these pins. First, pin number 34, there is no voltage. See here, pin number 34, 35 or 36. There is no voltage. So first we should know from where this voltage is coming. So we will see this in circuit. We just type the signal name, that is in fine box. The signal name is LCD VDD. It will find where the signal name. So it remains in same place. So again enter once again, it will go to the next place. So you can see here plus LCD VDD here. This voltage is coming from Q5401. This you have to check whether this MOSFET is getting the 3.3 voltage. We will check the MOSFET now. So back side of this board, that MOSFET is there. So first remove that connector. Now give the supply. I think this MOSFET is present near CPU fan. You can see the same number here. Remove this connector. Yes, that is Q5401. See, this is Q5401. So from this MOSFET you have to check the voltage. we are getting 3.3 volt of this MOSFET. The MOSFET number is Q5401. So next we have to check the voltage at source pin of the MOSFET. So we will check the source pin voltage. So there is no voltage. Already we saw that Q5401 is getting the 3.3 voltage run. That is, we are getting the voltage at drain of this MOSFET, but we are not getting the voltage at source of this MOSFET, because the gate voltage is missing for this MOSFET. This gate voltage is coming from the R5413 resistor. So we'll check the voltage of this resistor. It should get the plus 15 volt always. We will see the resistor first where it is in the board. Now we have to find out the resistor R5413. So this is also located near the CPU fan. You can find out here. See here, this is 5413 resistor. You can see here. So this is the resistor. We will check the voltage at this resistor. We should get 15 volt. Yeah, we are getting 14.64 volt at one end. In another end we are getting 0 volt. So 100% the problem is in this resistor. This resistor may be open. So we will change the resistor and check the voltage. So you remove that resistor and open. Remove the resistor. So let's change the resistor now. Now the resistor is replaced here. Now we'll check the voltage is coming or not. And now we can see the voltage of another point of the resistor. Now both the end we are getting the voltage. That means now we should get the voltage of the MOSFET also, that is Q5401. We will say the voltage of that source pin. Yeah, see here, now we are getting the 3.3 volt because now the MOSFET get the gate voltage of 15 volt. See here, we are getting approximately 15, that is 14.20, that is MOSFET gate voltage. Now we will check the display is coming or not. Before it was white display, now we will check whether the display is coming properly or not. So let him connect the connector. Disconnect. So now power down. Yeah, now you can see the proper display. That is, before it was white display, now we will get the display on the screen. So thank you. Let's